This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Wake the watch and go straight to the timer app so you can stop it quickly. Tap the timer icon from the grid or swipe to the dock if you recently used it. Once the app opens, you'll see the running timer or preset list. This immediate access matters because stopping a timer fast avoids overruns. Make sure the watch is unlocked and on your wrist because some controls are restricted when locked. Once you see the running countdown, tap the pause button to halt it temporarily or hit stop to end it completely. You want to pick stop if you're done. If the screen shows multiple timers, swipe to the active one first, then stop it. You can also twist the digital crown to check remaining seconds before stopping so you know exact timing. This control helps avoid accidentally canceling the wrong timer when several are active. If the screen is unresponsive, use Siri, say stop the timer, or perform a force restart by holding the side button and digital crown briefly. This ends frozen timers. Once stopped, swipe down to confirm the timer shows 0 or closed. If you can't hear the alert, make sure silent or do not disturb isn't muting sounds. Adjust volume in settings. Troubleshooting tip: if timers repeatedly misbehave, update watch OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.